Sleep looks peaceful, eyes closed, muscles relaxed, awareness gone. But in nature, sleep is dangerous. It slows reactions, it silences the senses, it leaves the body exposed. And yet every animal must sleep. So animals didn't evolve better sleep. They evolved safer sleep. Sleep shuts down the very systems that keep an animal alive. Vision fades, hearing dulls, response time increases. For a predator, that's an opportunity. For prey, it's a risk. In the wild, danger doesn't pause just because an animal needs rest. So the question isn't why animals sleep. The question is, how do animals survive while they do? Birds don't sleep the way humans do. For many birds, fully shutting down would be dangerous. While resting, they remain exposed to predators and environmental threats. So instead of sleeping deeply, some birds sleep partially. One half of the brain rests while the other stays awake. This is known as unihemispheric sleep. The awake half continues to process sound, monitor movement, and keep one eye open. The resting half recovers. In flocks, this behavior changes with position. Birds at the edge of the group sleep more lightly. Birds in the center can afford deeper rest. No bird decides this. There's no signal or command. The balance between rest and awareness emerges naturally from risk. Birds don't eliminate danger. They manage it. They sleep without fully letting go of the world around them. Dolphins face a different constraint. Unlike humans, they do not breathe automatically. Every breath is a conscious action. If a dolphin fully fell asleep, it would stop breathing. So dolphins never shut down completely. Like birds, their brains rest in halves. One hemisphere sleeps, while the other remains awake. The awake half controls breathing, maintains movement, and monitors the environment. After a period of time, the roles switch. This allows dolphins to rest without losing control of vital functions. Some dolphins continue swimming while one half of the brain sleeps. Others remain still, surfacing regularly to breathe. Sleep becomes a cycle, not a state. Same problem as birds, different body, different environment. Once again, rest adapts to survival, not the other way around. Some animals don't adapt sleep by changing the brain. They change where sleep happens. Seals spend much of their lives in the water, but they rarely sleep deeply there. Instead, many seals haul themselves onto land or ice to rest, places where large predators are less likely to reach them. By reducing external danger, they can afford deeper sleep. In the ocean, sleep would require constant vigilance. On land, the environment does some of that work for them. Even then, rest is cautious. Seals often sleep in groups, positioning themselves so disturbances are noticed quickly. Their solution isn't lighter sleep, it's safer sleep. Rather than staying alert internally, they shift the risk outward. Sleep becomes possible not because the body changes, but because the surroundings do. Once again, the pattern is the same. Animals don't seek perfect rest. They seek conditions where rest won't be fatal. Across all these animals, the pattern is the same. Sleep always involves compromise. No animal sleeps perfectly. No animal sleeps without cost. Some reduce awareness. Some alternate control. Some change environments. Some shorten rest entirely. Different strategies, same goal, survive the night. Nature doesn't optimize for comfort, it optimizes for survival over time. Humans sleep deeply, not because we're better sleepers, but because we're safer sleepers. Walls, fire, social protection. Our sleep says more about our environment than our biology. In nature, sleep isn't rest. It's risk management. And every animal solves that problem differently because sleep doesn't look the same everywhere. It looks like adaptation,